Look at this, guys, a big birds. In the river of Tennessee and the Kentucky is a big bird. Issued birds, guys. Oh, look at that. Look. It's long, huh? Long. Look at that one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, guys. 5 issued birds. Look at that. Oh, somebody may